If you ever need to quickly check whether someone has booked a meeting on Calendly, this video will show you the fastest way to find it. It's a simple process, but if you have multiple meetings coming in, knowing exactly where to look can save you time and confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to view your upcoming meetings, confirm the booking, and open the invitee details in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account using your usual email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the navigation menu. Calendly keeps your scheduled events organized in one place, so the first thing you want to do is find the area where your meetings are listed. Next, click on Meetings. This is where Calendly shows your scheduled booking activity. If someone has booked time with you, their meeting should appear here based on the event type and date. After that, select Upcoming. This step is important because it filters your meetings to show future appointments that are already scheduled but have not happened yet. Now browse through your scheduled meetings. You can scroll through the list and look for the specific person, date, or event type you want to confirm. If you receive a lot of bookings, this is a good moment to check the meeting title and scheduled time so you can make sure you're looking at the right event. Once you find the meeting you're looking for, click on it to open the full details. This will show you the invitee's information, including the name and any details they submitted when booking. Depending on the event settings, you may also see notes, email address, or other booking details that help confirm who scheduled the meeting. If you still don't see the meeting, double check that you're in the correct account and that you've selected the right calendar view. Sometimes a booking may appear under a different event type, or it may already be listed in a different section if the meeting date has changed. Checking both the meeting list and the invitee details is the best way to confirm the booking. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly and view all the important details. It's quick, easy, and very useful when you want to stay on top of your schedule. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.